Hello, everyone. Hope you're all excited. Okay, welcome to IMA. So, today we will discuss one important technology topic. What is that? Python. Yes, Python. So, now many companies have started looking for people who are skilled in Python. So, if at all you have good skills in Python, many companies will start recruiting. So today I will explain how to use Python and I'll show you a simple demo. Okay, shall we start? Okay. What is Python? Python is a high level general purpose programming language. What do you mean by general purpose or where is Python used? So Python is used for web and internet application development, desktop GUIs, software development, game development, information security field, image processing, multimedia, business applications, IoT, scientific and numeric computing, such as data analysis and visualization. Python is also used for AI programming. Now, prerequisites for Python learning. How do you download? So, download and install Python, then Python IDE like PyCharm, IDLE idle, or Spider. So, here I'm using Spider. Python framework value integer string print method output program execute testing error or mistake variable IDE means integrated development environment, meaning what? Now, any programming language you key in and you start programming, right? You have some environment wherein you open the file, you save the file, you make projects, right? You can run the program, you execute the program, right? And you can debug the program. So you have different options and everything gets included in this environment. And this is what is IDE.
Let me show you how to write a simple program using Python. Open the Spider IDE. So this is how Spider IDE looks like. You have the coding console on the left side and the output console on the right side. Let me show you how to print a simple hello world. Look at this code. Let me execute the program. click on the Run in the toolbar. Now you can see the output in the console. It has printed "Hello World." So the beauty of Python is we have only one line of code, while in other languages we would need more code just to print a statement. Let me show you how we can add two numbers and concatenate two strings. Please take a look at this code. So here I have assigned 100 as value for x and 1000 for y. I have assigned Ravi as value for A and Kumar as value for B. So here x, y, A and B are known as variables. Here I am printing all the values individually, and then I am adding the integer values and the string values. Let me execute the program. Great, no error. Now let's see the output. Look at the integer value. So it has added both 1000 and 100, and it shows 1100. But at the same time, the string values got concatenated and it becomes Ravi Kumar. See how easy it is to add two values in Python. Now, what if you have to write the same program in Java? In Java, we have to use class, method, variable, and print statement for the same program, which is time consuming. So this is how a Java program looks like. Hope you understood this topic. Please practice.
Okay, now let's discuss the benefits of Python. Python provides a large standard library which supports all major fields of development. Python is free to use and distribute, including for commercial purposes. Python offers excellent readability and simple to learn syntax, which helps beginners to utilize this programming language. Python provides enhanced process control capabilities and has strong integration and text processing capabilities. It has its own unit testing framework, and these points contribute to the ease of coding. Hope you understood today's topic. If you're looking to learn Python, please email me. Yes. Okay. Or WhatsApp me. Thank you.